So when you drink hydrogen water, it helps. It's anti-inflammatory because of the negative potential when it's created during this hydrogen generating process, and also as a result, it has anti-aging.
Mm-hmm. So here's my elevator pitch after what I learned. And I would try to explain this to a 10-year-old.
Okay.
Because I am pretty much in a lot of ways a 10-year-old.
Yeah, guys.
Hi. So, but I know Gary Brecka, who's somebody we've all talked about before. He's like the health guru for Dana White and Joe Rogan and all these big time celebrities that are now jacked and ripped and in the best shape of their life in their 50s. Which is pretty cool.
It is.
You'd listen to that guy before, like the health commissioner of Minnesota or Illinois or something is like 400 pounds talking about health. I don't know if I want to take it's like taking advice from a skinny chef on how to cook. Except that the skinny chef is me because I can cook. But, here's what I read. Drink the water because it's got antioxidant properties. You mentioned anti-inflammatory. Cellular repair and regeneration?
Yeah, it's the same because this is molecular hydrogen. Hydrogen is the smallest molecule in the body. So when you're drinking it, it's what it also does, it can go through your intestine lining. Your body can absorb
the brain barrier.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Our sciences. All right, good.
A little science.
All right.
But that's why they say it can get into the brain to help with Alzheimer's.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and all the brain. It helps you like when you drink that. If you drink that first thing in the morning, it gives you you feel alert afterwards. It doesn't have the coffee like the jittery effect afterwards, but it definitely boosts your energy, and also another reason why it has regenerative effect is also it improve the bacteria in your gut, so it helps it exactly. Yeah, like 70% of our immune health has to do with our gut health.
Yes.
So
that seems like a low number to me.
Because a lot of the
seems like it should be higher.
Go
ahead.
That's another episode.
Go ahead. That's another episode. All right, go ahead.
Yeah. So a lot of the gut bacteria, a lot of them they thrive in the hydrogen-rich environment, and they don't like oxygen. So when you're drinking hydrogen-rich water, it can increase those healthy bacteria in your gut.
The other thing, and then I'll kind of let Vince take it from there because this is outside of my wheelhouse, is I asked ChatGPT what any negative side effects or costs of the alleged benefits, because it says there's competing studies just like everything, but it didn't seem like there's anything that could, and maybe long-term studies will show something else, but I didn't see any negative effects.
I only saw one, and maybe you can help me. I think it was because of the mechanism itself, doing something to cause
chlorine. Yes, that's a really good question. So, good point, because that is one of the concern, and some of the low quality hydrogen bottle could have that because of the design defect in their design. Like you could see the bottle, you should have an exhaust hole in the bottom of so the oxygen gets to go out.
Okay.
If it doesn't,
it goes in it.
Yeah, it has this byproduct like chlorine or ozone, which could do negative.
Yeah, you don't want to drink chlorine. Even I know that.
Right. Exactly. So there's a lot of the experiment people have done. They could put a chlorine drop to test it. Right. Yeah.
And in your bottles, they would pass that.
Yeah,
test.
They all can pass the test.
Okay.
So the filter that you would use, is it a changeable filter? Because it's on the way out, it is filtered, correct?
It doesn't really have the filter. So what I always recommend my clients is to use
filtered
water. Do not use water from the tap.
Okay.
Because you're not purifying the water, you're just adding hydrogen.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah.
Because I know I was hearing like the DuPont products, the M-type products that would go in there. We know that some of their products aren't the best because they're
plastic.
They're plastic, and the forever chemicals that it's not good. So they're saying that in some of those lower quality bottles that those products are being used, and so a lot of people are not recommending those products.
So don't buy it on Amazon, in other words.
I don't know if it's just Amazon, but
I'm not saying don't. You could buy it anywhere, but I'm saying don't
do your research on the actual product.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, exactly.
Before you invest.
Are we allowed to say do your research now? Is that back? Or are we in trouble?